The workshop indeed changed my opinion. I had no experience with UKP or UKS. I was pleasantly surprised because I had some prejudice about English wheat, especially the weather in England. But I see also they made a lot of effort to make a very fine and good product. And I'm very pleased about it. I was surprised that the UKP, though they told me there was low on protein, 11, it has much power and it is very pleasant dough to work with, and the result is actually, I'm very pleased with the result.